What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Sky Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with the co-pilot Jax, and we are coming back to you from the Miracle Mile in Los Angeles, California, USA, with another LACMA construction update. Museum Monday, and we are going to be coming back weekly to be checking it out. Looks like we're going about a mile a minute here. Last time we saw a lot of work going on both sides, and I'm pretty sure that they're going to be trying to hit some checkpoints as the heat is approaching this week. It's going to be a tough one out there for them, so I know that they're trying to hustle to get some of that heavy lifting out of the way before triple digits is staring us down. Gonna keep it short and sweet, and on that note, it is chicken apple time for the boy. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Give us a sub if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video, super chat, super thanks. All that goes a long ways in helping us stay on the road and bringing y'all that quality summertime content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there, share out what's going down. Peace.